Hi, we're Team 17. We're currently working on the Theoline Autonomous Painter. Right now, I am working on the body, the frame of Flat, basically. So far, I got about half of it built right now. I'm still looking for other bits and pieces to complete the frame right now.
So I've been working on the control system of Flap. Main priority is to keep the robot going straight. So we're going to use, the way to do that, we're going to use encoders on each of the motors. And then we're going to use some type of proportional control to help keep it straight. We're going to introduce a slave master system. So I've been researching on how to do that. It's pretty much where we are right now with the control system. So.
For the microcontroller, we've done some preliminary testing using on Microchip's website, and the microcontroller uses a web-based IDE. So it's taking some time for us to get familiar with this new way, this different type of coding the board on. Like now, instead of using some app, we're gonna be using we're gonna be doing it on a website. So it's a little different, and it's taking some time to get used to. We are a little struggling a little bit on this subject because of just not being familiar with pretty much like coding the microcontroller. So we are gonna plan on meeting Garrett Scott over the break and discuss a couple things on how we can make our code efficient, and if you can give us tips on that to better familiarize ourselves with the microcontroller. And for this week, we also have we're completing our Gantt chart, which is showing our progress throughout the semester.
I've been working on the power for Flap, and I've been looking at some of the voltage regulators that we'll be using. I've already ordered them. We are planning to use a 24 volts as we stated, so we need a couple of voltage regulators that will downstep to 12 volts and for the compressor, and 5 volts for the microprocessor. So I've ordered that, and I've also ordered a fuse box that we're going to be using also. As far as our team is going, we are planning to get together hopefully every day once the break starts to work on this project. And like Basil mentioned, if we need any additional help, we will meet up with Garrett Scott, and hopefully he can help us out with any other subject that we might need, or also he will also provide us with some sensor boards that we will need for our project also. Our goal, we are going to try our best to get the parts to be put together by the end of break, but we'll see how that goes, and we'll go from there. So, and that's it.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.